Racing just is started, one slow out, and that is Admiral Contender. We have Patero Saban, break quickly at the start, out of time in second. Kismis down into the Asikuda. Then next on is Admiral Contender, while Lover of All is the early trailer by about 8 lengths off the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Patero's Haven by about 3/4 of a length lead. Right behind in second is out of time, 2 lengths further back in third comes Kiss Me, Asikuda. Admiral Contender comes next, while Lover of All still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Art of Time now takes command by out ahead, running by the release Patero's Heaven. Next on line Kiss Me, Admiral Contender now moving up to take fourth, Asikuda, while Lover of All is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. Patero's Haven once again takes command by about 2 lengths, and in second out of time Admiral Contender is down into the as they swing for home. Patero's Haven this time by about 4 lengths, and in second is out of time, and on the outside Admiral Contender. Last 75 meters, the program opener belongs to Patero's Haven. Admiral Contender out of time, Asikuda.